What's going on, guys? My name is Rich, and this is my best buddy, Mojo. Now, he's an 8-year-old boxer. He weighs about 115 pounds. Yes, he is a big boxer. He's always been big. He's always been a garbage disposal ever since he's been born, but he's an absolute sweetie. So today I'm going to help you guys answer that question. Can a large dog fit in the back seat of a Tesla Model 3? I didn't see anything on YouTube, so I figured, hey, let's go ahead and make a video on that. Because we were coming from a 2015 Toyota RAV4. You could put a dog in there, no problem. A big dog, too. So you can just open the tailgate, throw him back there. So with a sedan like this on a Tesla Model 3, the back seat isn't exactly big. So that was a concern of mine. So if you have a dog, you're looking at getting a Tesla Model 3, a big dog at that, hopefully this video will help you guys out. Now, before we let him in, I want to let you guys know that I did install a Tesla Pet Liner, and you can pick this up on their website for 145 bucks. Now, it's super simple to install. Got 3 little latches here. It just snaps right in, protects the entire door. And there's one big, large piece here that protects the entire back seat. And it has a perforated portion right between the driver and the passenger seat that lets you see your dog or your dog see you, so it doesn't feel separated. But this is a heavy type fabric that will absolutely protect the back seats, even if they have sharper type claws. I don't know if you can see that through the video, but this is a very tough material. It would take a good knife to get through this. So this is some good stuff, good deal, I think, for 145 bucks. But here's the test. Let's throw the big boy back there and see what we got. Come on, Mojo. Come on. There you go. Come on, Mojo. Yeah, good boy. No, stay. Good boy. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, it's a good buddy. Oh, man, you shedding. Wow. But he actually does have a good amount of room here. He can move, he can turn, he can sit, obviously. And I think it's pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I'd want to do it for extended, huge road trips. I don't know if that would be the best idea, but he seems to have plenty of room back here. I could close this door easily. His head's not even getting close to the top. And if he actually wants to stand up, he can easily put his head out the window. For all you dog lovers out there looking at getting a Tesla Model 3, I hope this helps answer that question. If a large dog can comfortably fit in the back seat. So if you're anything like me, coming from an SUV to a smaller car, I wouldn't worry too much about it. As long as you have a good pet liner protecting the seats, I think you're good to go. I really do. Now, I don't know about a dog over 115 pounds, because I don't have one, but I think for a dog up to this size, I think he's actually pretty comfortable. He can turn around, he can do whatever he wants. When you close the door, he can lean on the doors, he can stick his head out the window. So I think he's going to be pretty comfortable for a few hours, but I don't know about longer than that. But I think it will suffice for most people that have a larger dog that want to get a Tesla Model 3. So I hope this helped answer that question, if a large dog can fit in the back. So if it did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.